Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma variants versus variables. We'll explore the fundamental distinctions between these two powerful Figma features. You'll learn precisely when to leverage each one for the most effective design system management. Furthermore, we'll uncover how integrating both variants and variables can lead to incredibly robust and adaptable components, streamlining your design workflow significantly. Get ready to enhance your Figma skills. Figma variants are fantastic for grouping similar components into one flexible set. Imagine a button. You can have variants for its default, hover, and press states, or even different sizes like small, medium, and large. This approach simplifies your asset panel and makes managing component states incredibly efficient. You define properties such as state or size, providing a clear, organized structure for all your component variations, saving you valuable time. Figma variables, on the other hand, are all about storing reusable values. Think of them as design tokens for colors, numbers, strings, and even true or false conditions. They are perfect for maintaining absolute consistency across your entire design. You can define a variable for your primary brand color, a spacing unit of 8 pixels, or a specific font size. This ensures every element using that variable updates instantly when the variable changes. So, which is better? It's not about one being superior, it's about using them together. Use variants for structural changes and different component states, like a button's appearance. Employ variables for managing design tokens and consistent values, such as its background color or padding. By combining them, you create highly adaptable and scalable design systems. For example, a button variant could dynamically use variables for its background color, text color, and even its border radius, offering maximum flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.